Ever wondered how to elevate your professional game to the next level? Simon Fawaz is the solution. With an unwavering commitment to excellence, Simon has spent over 2 decades working with large commercial, industrial, and government entities worldwide. His insightful guidance has enabled these entities to embrace innovative solutions that not only enhance financial performance but also prioritize environmental sustainability. Simon offers a diverse range of business services designed to meet your professional needs. Here is a glimpse into how he can guide your success. First, leadership coaching. Second, sales training. Third, strategic consulting. Fourth, customer relationship management and retention. Fifth, mentoring. Sixth, business development strategy. Seventh, keynote speaking. Eighth, networking workshops. Finally, document creation services. Simon provides document creation services such as writing business plans, business processes, emergency and safety plans, and risk management plans. Simon helps businesses establish thought leadership and engage their audience through compelling content. So, why wait? Seize this opportunity to leverage Simon's skills, expertise, and experiences to add value to your individual or organizational growth. Contact Simon Fawaz today on 1300687786 or fill in the website Contact Us form and Simon will call you back. Be a catalyst for positive change and drive your organization towards greatness. Call today 1300687786. Let's hear from some of Simon's clients who have personally experienced the transformation brought by his services. First, meet James, a CEO who availed Simon's leadership coaching. He says, "Simon's coaching was a game changer for me. He helped me see things from a new perspective and improve my decision-making skills. I am now a better leader thanks to Simon." Next, we have Alana, a sales manager who went through Simon's sales training. Alana shares, "Simon's training was insightful and practical. Our sales have significantly increased and our team is more confident than ever. Thank you, Simon." Lastly, hear from Eddie, a business owner who took advantage of Simon's strategic consulting. Eddie states, "Simon's strategic input was instrumental in our business growth. He helped us see opportunities we were missing and guided us to make the right decisions. Our business is thriving because of Simon." These testimonials are a testament to Simon's commitment to excellence and his ability to deliver results. But these are just a few of the many clients Simon has helped. Imagine what he can do for you or your organization. Reach out to Simon Fawaz now at 1300687786. Act quickly as time slots are limited. Be the first to secure your spot.